Hello, I'm Renee.
And I'm Darryl, and welcome back to R&DW Adventures, where we've got a rerun,
A three-peat.
a three-peat, where we're hoping for better luck. And these are the Pixar Pals, like Valentine Day series. This time, we're not getting them from Shop Disney. We got these from the local Disney outlet store at Great Lakes Crossing, where last week they didn't have them.
Right.
This week, February 21st, they had them again.
Yes. And to give you, if you haven't watched the previous episodes, we ordered 10 the first time.
Yeah.
10 boxes. We ordered 10 boxes the first time, and we got 2 different pins.
Yeah, so the first time we got 8 of the Incredibles pin and 2 of Forky and Karen.
Right. So we decided, I had a birthday coupon, we decided to order 10 more. And we got
10 of the up ones.
I really wanted the up pin, but not 10 of them. So, don't worry, Mary Jo, no matter what happens today, we are still trading. So, if you have a chance, also check out Rolling to Orlando. She really wanted the up pin and the one with Forky and Karen, so we are going to be trading. Thank you very much.
So we still have lots more of the up couple from the Pixar set, and a few, like 7 I think, more of the Incredibles couple.
We have plenty.
But we're still looking for all of the others, and the one that I'm really, really hoping for is the Wreck-It Ralph ones.
Right.
But these definitely came from the outlet store. The ones that we got, or that we saw there a couple of weeks ago, before they disappeared, before Valentine's Day, were nice brand new boxes. These, when I'm looking at them,
been traveling.
The stickers are all yellow, the boxes are torn, so these are the ones that probably came off the shelf from other stores after Valentine's Day and made it to the outlet store. They were still the full $13.
Right. We should say this outlet store is here, and I think it's the only Disney store in Michigan.
At this point, I think it's the only remaining Disney store in the state. But let's get started. Mine's already open.
Oh, mine isn't hard to open. Well, the box anyway. The bag's a whole nother story.
All right, I don't know what this one is, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
So, opening up. It is the Ducky and
Ducky and...
I can't remember.
Let me see. It.
Which is cool because it is
the Duck and Bunny. Ducky and Bunny.
Ducky and Bunny?
I do like that. And we are trading for one of those, but that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
So there we go.
I got another Incredibles.
Okay, so we have 8 Incredibles to trade. All right, let's try it again. This one also wasn't sealed.
Oh.
It has the sticker, but it's been cut.
Oh, I know which one this is now. Because
I think this is a repeat.
This is a repeat. This is another Duck and Bunny. I can tell because it's 2 pieces. But they're cool. They are very cute. I just hit my elbow.
Ooh. Oh. You know what? It's not Wreck-It Ralph. No, I was thinking this was Wreck-It Ralph. This is Wally and Eve, which is even cooler.
That is cooler. We didn't have that one.
No.
That's this one right here.
So I am very excited because that's the one that I wanted, though I didn't know it was
right,
this.
you thought it was Wreck-It Ralph.
I thought it was Wreck-It Ralph.
It looks like it's pixelated here.
Yeah, which it is, but it's not.
So the only one we're still missing is Jessie and Buzz.
Correct, which is another one that I want.
Okay.
But we're definitely having better luck from the Disney outlet store than from Shop Disney. I am not sure what this is, but I don't think it's the one we wanted.
Another Incredibles.
Oh, no, another
Forky and Karen. Okay.
So we are still missing the Incredibles.
No.
Or,
not at all.
We are still missing the
Buzz
and Jessie.
So if anybody wants to trade, we have doubles at least of everything now.
No, that's not true. We don't have doubles of everything. We don't have doubles of the, well, we do have the Forky.
Right.
But we don't have the doubles of the Wally.
Oh, we don't have doubles of Wally. You're right.
So no doubles of Wally, but we've got the Forky to trade. We've got the Incredibles. We've got the Up Pin. We've got
we have lots of
Ducky
the Up
and
Pin.
Bunny. And that's it. So definitely fun though.
It
Again,
is.
I always
still
love
like
doing
them.
these. We've got more on order. Not of these.
Not of these.
We're gonna try 10 of the what are they called again? They're the food-based ones. I can't remember.
Not the ice cream cones, but
we tried something different this time. We ordered in 2 separate batches from Shop Disney, and they don't have those yet at the Disney outlet store.
right. Was there only 6 today? Is that why we?
No,
got
there
6?
were more than 6, but quite honestly, it was
6 is enough.
we're not going to spend any more money. That's probably what they'd want us to do. I don't think it was intentional that we got so many duplicates, but
No,
it's like, come on, give up already. But we really wanted that one, or at least I did.
Well, yeah, I really wanted that one.
The Up?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, we wanted the Up. I wanted the Incredibles, and I wanted this one.
Right.
I really like the
Let me see this one.
Toy Story one with Buzz and Jessie.
Oh, I do.
So that one is another one I would love to have.
Yes. No, this one is very cute.
And I like the Ducky and Bunny because
so let's
it
put
is a
what we do
two-part.
have together in. It's really cute.
So yeah, you're not going to be able to see these.
Oh, so we have 4.
Wait a
we
minute.
have
There we go.
5. We have 5. And there's 6 total.
So we've got.
I think that Mary Jo is sending us Buzz and.
Oh, cool.
Jessie.
So we should have this all
I
set
think
then.
so. Mm-hmm.
So we've got the Up Pin, Ducky and Bunny, which is cool because it has the dingly. We have the Wally and Eve. Definitely what I like. We have the Incredibles. And we have
Forky
and Karen. Another awesome one.
Definitely cute.
So that's going to do it for this round. Make sure to click the subscribe button over there so that you get more videos like this when they go live. And then on this side, we're going to put our Disney unboxing video. So if you like this one, check that out too and get a lot more of these.